My garage door has been falling apart basically and sagging in one portion and just destroying itself. My dad and I took an evening to reinforce it and completely resolve the issue. This is a very simple procedure. The worst part is the cost of the braces that we're about to buy. It takes about half an hour at most. The most important step is to stealthily start recording your dad while you're traveling to Home Depot.
Oh, hello.
Dad, what are we doing?
I don't know.
We're fixing the garage.
Oh, right. Garage. We're fixing the garage.
How are you feeling?
Oh, I'm excited.
How do we know that we want like aluminum versus steel?
I did an experiment on Grandma. See if the garage door breaks and falls.
She's our guinea pig.
She's okay. So
Sounds good.
We know this works. The garage door panels are cracking and bending down. And they'll pretty much sagging, and eventually they'll just break in half.
I'm gonna get a close-up of this.
Before they break in half, you have to reinforce them.
You can see the door sagging a little. This is what I thought was terrible and cracking, but my dad, being awesome and knowing everything's like, oh yeah, you don't need a new garage door. You can just reinforce this. It's real bad.
A couple of aluminum angles, 6 bolts to attach it, 8-foot long for leverage, and it's gonna be fine. We've done it before, we can do it again. 2x2 sides and 1/16 of an inch thick, which is plenty. As you can see already, the angle is straight and the panel is sagging, right? It's straight, right? See, let's go like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts.
Power drill, link in the description. Battery pack, upgraded, super awesome. For these lovely Yukon workbenches. 7/16.
Should be good, yeah. Perfect.
The next step was marking the location of the holes, just by laying the brace on the bolt holes and marking them.
So about half an inch.
And then from the corner, you want to place the bolts closer to the corner, so we did about half an inch from the actual bend itself.
So I'm picking the drill bit so that it is not too big, so that it is slightly less than the threads, like this. It has to be the same diameter as the solid part of the screw, so that it actually catches with its threads to the aluminum as well, so that it sits tight. Now if you look through, you can see that the diameter of the drill bit, you can see it, and then behind it the threads are sticking out, right? That's how you want it.
These are special titanium drill bits. You don't tighten the drill around them. They have the same tip here. So you can either tighten it in the drill, or you can get one of those like screwdriver extensions. You can swap out the drill bits.
Of course, these holes might not fit exactly to what is on the garage door, but it's okay because these are screws. They will bend a little, and if necessary, we can widen the hole in place a little bit. And it's a soft metal. It will let us tweak it a little bit.
So now we have 2 of these guys, so we can just drill and bolt and drill.
but you see, if you do it like that,
We have to get rid of the other
we have to get rid of the other one. So that's the you know how what's the pickle what is, that's the issue. Executive decision is in order. Ну, с другой стороны, мы могли бы other way around, right? We can turn this one around, make it face that way, and this one face that way. And that's it. Test run.
3, 2, 1.
And close. Oh, it works. Wow.
So good. Oh, it looks so good.